Hello, in this video we're going to talk about this MultiPCB project script. This script can be used if you have one project that is split among multiple PCB documents. So for instance, over here on this top schematic document I have two sheet symbols, and circuit from one goes to the first PCB document, PCB doc 1, and the circuit from the second goes to PCB 2. There was a feature request to use blankets for this, so all the sub-circuit that is over here will go to the first PCB document, all the sub-circuit that is here will go to a second PCB document. This script basically works in a way that it will go through all the blankets in a project, and it will place a compile mask over all the blankets that do not point to the PCB document that is currently being updated. If you go to run script over here, you can see that it has 5 procedures that you can execute. For instance, you have those that start with SCH, you execute them from schematic. Those that start with PCB, you execute them from the PCB. For instance, over here I have SCH update all PCB documents. So this is procedure to update all PCB documents. Let's start it. Right now you can see that it placed the compile mask over here, since only first PCB document is being updated, and you can do an update right now, and after that it deleted this compile mask and placed a new mask over here. So since PCB 2 over here, you can see PCB 2 is right now being updated, and at the end it simply deletes all the compile masks and makes a project compile. Another one that you can execute from schematic is update single PCB document. So right now over here you can choose which PCB document you want to update, or you can update all of them. On the PCB side you can also do run script, and you can import changes from schematic or update schematic. This will do the same thing. So import changes from schematic will also place compile masks, and the update schematic will also before place compile masks, then do the update, and then delete compile masks. On the PCB side you also have component links. Since not all components will be in this PCB document, you can use this to execute a component links, and in that case also the same thing happens. So compile mask is placed, then this function, if I execute it, for instance, over here you can see only 4 components. So compile mask was placed over here. You can see also SCH2 is not under the top document anymore, and you can see only 4 components over here. Right now, after you're done, you can see the SCH2 is back under the top schematic document. Another note to say, for instance, in the parameter set that is connected to a blanket, you need to have name PCB doc and the value name of the PCB document. In both cases you can use up or low level case. It doesn't matter which case it is. Another thing, in the value you don't have to have extension, so if you want to place it like this it will still work. Also, if you want to point this circuit over here to be on both documents, you can place it like this. So you can see over here that name has to start with PCB doc, but it can be PCB doc 1, PCB doc 2, PCB document or something. It just have to start with PCB doc. And you can in this way apply this circuit to be updated to both PCB documents, or if you have like 4 or 5 PCB documents in a project, you can apply this circuit only to 2 or 3 of the PCB documents this way. If you have some components that are not under the blanket, so if some components are not under the blanket, they will of course be updated to all PCB documents. This also means that these functions, if you want, you can use these functions, and you can simply use them always. You can replace these general functions with these ones, because if you don't have blankets with this kind of parameter sets, with this kind of parameters in a parameter sets, in that case he will simply not place any compile mask and do the update, so he will execute the regular update. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.